We built an AI chatbot trained on our own docs in minutes, and it hasn't missed a customer inquiry since.
Seriously, we uploaded our PDFs and product manuals, and TinyTalk had a fully working chatbot ready to deploy almost immediately.
No coding, no external developers.
Our support team used to spend hours answering the same questions. Now the bot handles them instantly, with accurate, on-brand responses pulled straight from our own documentation. We embedded it on our site and connected it to WhatsApp. That alone doubled our response coverage overnight. The lead capture feature was a bonus we didn't expect. It collects and exports leads with enriched data, which made our sales follow-ups way sharper. And our documents stay private by default, so there were zero security concerns. If your team is still manually answering repetitive questions, you're burning time you don't have. Head to TinyTalk, upload your first document, and see your chatbot live in under 10 minutes.